I'm gonna film in this area. It's about 10:30 on a Sunday night, and this area is Taipa village, and this is a pretty cool little space. So it's a good space to go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Film, and I haven't filmed at this time of night. Usually it's all crowded. Usually this whole street is crowded with people. And there's some really nice dark back alleys in this area, but I want to capture all these different spaces, including this one. And then over here is a park. So I don't know, I filmed before, and I filmed this little dragon right here. And if you go up there, there's some type of houses, which is where the Lucifonia was at, which I filmed recently as well. You can see kind of a little bit of a hillside. But I'm just going to capture some of these kind of cool looking buildings and the way that this corner is. And then I'm going to walk down one of these little alleys. Yeah, at nighttime it's totally different feel. Sometimes they'll hold little festivals in the space as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to some nice graffiti right here. There's Starbucks, which I have never, I've only had 2 cups of Starbucks in my life. This is a pretty popular little chain right here, Hong Yao, since 1995. And we're just gonna walk down this little alley. And at nighttime, the daytime, lots of people come in here and take pictures, and all these places would be open, but we're gonna walk down it at nighttime. Just kind of see what we can see. It's all lit up anyway, so let's see what this one is. This one is called Portu. Oops. Okay. There's some nice graffiti on one of these buildings too, but you can get some good, hello. So you can get some nice visual footage like this on these corners. This corner as well. Yeah, actually that's really good footage.
Where do you guys come from?
From the United States.
Eh?
I'm from America.
Ah, you're from America?
Yeah. How about you?
I'm a local guy.
Oh, from Macau?
But I was in New York for a while.
Oh, okay. Did you grow up in what, Macau side or Taipa side?
Actually from Hong Kong.
Oh, from Hong Kong. Oh, okay. How do you like Macau?
It's a small city.
It is small, yeah. Not like Hong Kong. So, anyway, have a good night.
You too.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you, you too. Let's kind of film down here a little bit. Okay. I think this is another space I'm going to film. This is all these little statues. There's oh, look at that. There's like a tiny little. Yeah, this is usually, the incense is usually always going, but I guess not at this time. Okay, we're gonna walk down a little bit further. Let's just kind of capture some of these spaces. Yeah, at nighttime you can really capture some of these. It's gonna go down this way, but I think I'm gonna go down another alley instead. Rua dos Mercadores. Yeah, actually, some of the corners of some of these buildings is fantastic. Bicycle. Alright, so we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. Sometimes I film in this space anyways. I filmed in this space a few times. Let's just kind of see what this is. This is a little Portuguese place. And we're gonna film down this space. These little banyan trees, I've definitely filmed in this space before, usually in the daytime. And I've commented on these kind of things. These little things are kind of hidden in the trees. but there's a brush. Sometimes I'll see miscellaneous things inside the trees, and those trees are usually quite sacred, like in Southeast Asia and South Asia, but Macau, not so much, strangely. And I was gonna walk right down these, I was gonna keep walking down these alleys, but I think I'm gonna, nice Portuguese place, Petisqua. Thai restaurant right here, Mexican restaurant. I've been meaning to go in there and film, but tonight's not the night for it. And then this is a
How are you?
this is the owner right here of the I'm filming right now, so
Oh, really?
this is the owner of this place right here, Tacos.
You should have come yesterday.
I should have.
We were full, all reserved.
Yeah.
Today is very, very quiet.
Yeah, I'm just kind of walking by. I was actually in another social obligation thing, and
Okay.
so, yeah. But I'm gonna come down and film. I'm just kind of walking around and filming at the moment.
Nice to see you.
Good to see you again as well.
Yeah.
So-
I'm seeing your posts in Facebook and YouTube. Very
oh, that
nice.
sounds good.
Yeah, always very active, every day.
Yeah, every day I'm posting something.
Yeah, that's nice. That's good.
So he's the owner right here of Tacos, and we're gonna definitely come by and film one of these
Co-owner.
evenings. Co-owner.
Yeah, Yumiro is the one.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, come
All right.
another time.
Have a good night. You too.
Thank you. Thank you
Okay.
so much. Nice to see you.
This is a pizza place right here, and so yeah, we'll definitely. I've been meaning to come down and film at that space. Consider film this one right here. This looks really cool. Great space right here. That alley right there, it's beautiful. So we're gonna keep on walking. Yeah, I've been meaning to YouTube his so I was glad I was able to run into him. I've been wanting to go into his restaurant, but I don't really want to disturb somebody in their restaurant either, you know, when they're busy working. So but actually that place has great food, so definitely will okay, let's just see. Yeah, and actually that particular restaurant, there's half of the menu is Mexican food, and the other half is Portuguese food. So, okay, so that's called Old Taipa Tavern. This one right here is a temple. This one sounds like they're having some fun on a Sunday night. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. I don't want to film people when they're drinking, so. Some YouTubers do though. But I usually don't like to. I think I filmed this building before too. We're just gonna walk through this a little bit. It's kind of interesting to walk through this areas at night. I usually don't do that. But tonight I am. And it might conclude in a few minutes. This has to end somewhere, so it might as well be right here at this fountain. Try to find a good angle for it. I think this is a good angle right there. It's a good angle right there. Good angle right there. And we're going to conclude this video right here. Okay, so this is walking through Taipa village at nighttime, Sunday night. 10:30.
She Chiquinha, xi'an. Toma cuidado da movida.